Hey Center Stage families, quick tutorial about helping your student during class for filming for our virtual choir music video. So they're going to have two devices. They're going to have the one that they are watching me Zoom on, which their headphones are going to be plugged into. And then you're going to have a phone, or they're going to have an iPad or a phone that they're going to be able to video themselves actually doing dances or up close and having a great time. So I'm going to now take the phone from Berlin. So in class, they're listening to me on Zoom, and then we do moves to, let's say you got to get your head up, and they're hearing the music from me, but they are performing a cappella that you are filming. So they go, so you got to keep your head up, oh, and you can let your hair down, hey. So that's an example. Then you will send me all of that. Take the camera from me.
Oh, sorry.
You will send me that footage so I can hear them singing a cappella, line it up to our track, and also get a lot of fun footage of them rehearsing at home and having a great time, along with the footage that we're getting of them on the Zoom screen like the Brady Bunch. So please help your student all this week in class do that and give them either a tripod or hang out with them for that 20 minutes of class while they're doing that. Thank you.